What's the meaning of blood group? Blood group. Blood group.
Blood group. Blood group. Blood group is a classification of blood based on the presence or absence of certain antigens and antibodies on the surface of red blood cells. There are four main blood groups, A, B, AB, and O. The type of blood group a person has can determine whether their blood is compatible with someone else's for transfusion purposes. Blood group can also have implications for certain medical conditions, such as hemolytic disease of the newborn and autoimmune disorders. Understanding a person's blood group is an important aspect of medical treatment and can help ensure safe and effective care.